Magnetic influence. So it's got off to an amazing start. It's out in the UK, the US, and now globally. The thing about this book is it's going to teach you how to have what I call hybrid negotiation skills. So you're going to have AI fluency, which means you understand how to use AI with efficiency, how to get the speed, the insight to prepare you for every single negotiation, and how to fuse AI into the business world as a professional so you can make more impact per hour. You essentially become an advanced AI leader. And the other side of the equation of the hybrid negotiator is human connection. As there's more intelligence in the world and it becomes abundant and free and easy, influence is going to become super scarce. So human connection, the ability to establish trust in the room, and the magnetic framework which this appeals to, which is meaningful impact, authenticity, gravitas, generosity, and gratitude, networking superconnector, energetic vibration, trust, intuition, and connection. And I'm going to show you how to master all of those. So when you go into a high-stakes negotiation, you're the calmest person in the room. You have the power to influence, and you become magnetic because you're adding so much value to the people around you that instantly they're wanting to bring value into your life. And that is what negotiation is. It's about creating more value for both parties. It's about having integrative negotiation where we expand the size of the pie together and we're really negotiating the structure of the negotiation, the deal terms, the value that we can create for each other to establish a long-term partnership. Magnetic influence is now out in the world and it's changing lives. Robert Cialdini, author of Influence and Persuasion, says, "We need this book." In fact, let me read you the full quote. "We need this book. It's the only one I know that shows us how to blend the cold efficiencies of AI with the warmth of human connection to boost persuasive success in negotiation and beyond." Robert Cialdini, author of Influence and Persuasion. And I love his work. If you've read his books, you must read them. They are the #1 books for influence and persuasion. Then there are quotes in here from retired Navy SEAL Commander Rich Davini. We've got testimonials from all sorts of people that have picked up this book. The #1, Giuseppe Conte, he's the #1 global guru for negotiation and author of Negotiation Plus Influence Equals Success. We've got Mike Inman, Stephen Honight. We've got Alexandra Carter. You've got to read her books. They're amazing. And Kel Jensen, negotiation strategy and author of The Smart Negotiator. So there's a ton of negotiators and practitioners who've read Magnetic Influence, and they see this as the modern negotiation playbook, the one book that fuses AI and negotiation, meaning AI and human connection skills. That if you master those skills, you are going to become super attractive to the workforce, to your business, to be an entrepreneur, and just as a person to be around. Influence in the modern day world starts with magnetic influence. You can get it now at all the different stores, or you can go to www.magneticnegotiator.com to use my negotiation agent, or magneticinfluencebook.com, and you can download all of this as a Claude skill that you can apply in Claude to every single conversation you have, every single conversation and email you write. And that's all from me. It's been an amazing ride, and I hope you pick up a copy of the book and join us on the journey to becoming a hybrid negotiator.